Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to your Hindi class. Hope all of you are all doing good. Okay, children, today you are going to learn the other 8 letters, the last line of the alphabet. The letters of the last line of the alphabet, that is Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H. Okay, now let us learn how to write. See, children, usually used to draw 4 columns, but on this page you have to draw 3 columns. See, 3 columns on one page and the 3 columns on the other page. Okay, you are going to write only 4 letters on this page, first page, and other 4 letters in the next page. Got it, children? Okay, now watch carefully. You know all this sleeping line and the standing line not in the middle, just before the end of the line, right side, a standing line. Okay, then here not in the middle, just after the starting line, sleeping line, no, give a right curve, stop. Got it? Right curve and another curve downwards and join the standing line. Here, see, this has to be pointing, a sharp edge should be there. See, here. Okay, children, please don't write like this. This is wrong formation. Okay, this edge should not be like this. It has to be sharp, pointing. See, here. Got it? Trace on this 5 times and complete this full page till the end. Then start with the second letter R. Same sleeping line. Middle of the sleeping line, give curve and the slanting line. R. Got it? Simple, children, pay attention. Sleeping line, a right curve, stop, and from that point at the edge, right slanting line. R. And this also you have to trace. First you have to trace 5 times all the letters. Complete the letters one by one. Okay, then complete the page. Then L. Third letter is L. Sleeping line, not in the middle, at the side, a standing line. Okay. Now, just below this sleeping line, here, give a curve, a big curve upward. Okay. And a small curve and join the letter, standing line. L. See, this has to be longer like this and this has to be short. L. A small curve upward here to write and a long curve and a small curve. L. Okay. Then V. A sleeping line. Here, middle of the sleeping line, you have to write the standing line. Okay. And from the middle of the standing line, take a left curve, turn and join. V. Simple, na? V. Okay. Standing line, take a curve and join. Y, R, L, V. Then turn the page. After V, you have to write sh. Sleeping line. Just a little space you leave after the line. Beginning of the line, leave space. Here you have to curve like this. Okay. See? Curve and one standing line. Sh. What is this letter? Sh. Take a curve and one standing line. Sh. Next. Sh. Standing line not in the middle. Okay, at the side. Remember you have written P. Okay. Remember this letter is P. But if you cross from upward to the right side, a slanting line, join this corners, cross it. This is sh. What, children? A sleeping line, a standing line, a curve, and inside a slanting line. Sh. This is sh. This is sh. Then s. Sleeping line. Remember how did you write R? The same we have to write R. And here in the middle of this curve is a small sleeping line and a standing line. S. Note the difference between R and Sa, children. Ra has no sleeping line and the standing line attached to it, but Sa has it. Right, like R, middle of that's a small sleeping line and the standing line. Sa. The last letter is H. Sleeping line, a small standing line. Remember you wrote like D, no? Like S you have to write, but not longer or the big. You have to stop it here in the middle. Here in the middle, straight to this, stop here. And another curve from the left side you have to give. Okay. Observe carefully. Sleeping line, a small standing line, curve, left curve, and take a right curve and stop. And again from the left side take a curve and stop it. See, this has to be straight to this. Okay, got it, children? This letter is H. Sh, sh, s, h. Okay, children, all the 8 letters. Y, R, L, V. Then sh, sh, s, h. Practice in your rough notebook first and then write it in your class workbook. Okay, children, both the pages. Thank you. Take care.